In this video, you're going to learn how to get started with Soundtrap. Soundtrap is a fun app where you can create your own music and recordings. Let's get started. First of all, open Soundtrap. You can go to soundtrap.com and log in or sign up for a free account. And you can also download the app on a tablet or phone. To start a new project, click on the purple Enter Studio button. Choose the music or podcast icon to enter the desired workspace. Give your project a name, like My First Song. Now you're ready to get composing. It's a good idea to start by selecting a loop. Loops are short music pieces that you can use like drums, keyboard and guitar riffs. Click on the loop you like and you can listen to each one before you select it. Then it will appear on the empty grid or the timeline. When you click on your loop, a menu will appear. You can choose whether to delete it, copy it or cut it. You may wish to add more loops. Browse the loop library to add drums, piano, guitar and more. You can listen to your music and delete a track or add another track as you go along. Layer up your tracks and experiment with playing instruments. If you don't like the sound, you can always delete it. Try playing chords, and when you're happy with your sound, add it to your project. Adjust the volume of each track until you're happy with the sound levels. Move parts left or right on the timeline to change when each track plays. You may wish to record your voice or an instrument you are playing. Simply plug in a microphone or use a computer or tablet mic and calibrate your volume.
My first rock song, my first rock song.
And when you are ready, press record and start singing, playing or talking.
My first rock song is so cool. My first rock song, my first rock song, my first rock song made for school.
Press the stop button when you've finished. Move your voice track to the desired starting place and listen to your composition. If you don't like anything, you can simply delete it and try again. Don't forget to keep saving your work. To share, click Export or Share. You can make an MP3 to download or get a link to show friends or your teacher. Then you can enjoy listening to your new composition made by yourself on Soundtrap.
My first rock song, my first rock song is so cool. My first rock song, my first rock song, my first rock song made for school.